If you open a specific project, the default view is a view of your content writer's queries. So here you have a queries, the terms that you are searching in Google, how to rank for, and information about those queries, like what was the search engine and the language where they were made, who is responsible for content, when is the deadline for a content, how long the content is or should be. You can use the tags to do a lot of tagging and also with the custom tags. So you can just add something like, okay, I would like to have this on the homepage or product description and so on. So you are really free to go with the with this how you play the process with your content production, with your content optimization. And here you have short actions like open the content editor, uh, renew or create a new optimization based on the specific keyword, or just delete, which means archive or remove from this view. So that's the main view of the table. Here you have a few columns more. So for example, you can have a volume on the keyword, you can have a volume trends where they are visible and so on, the paid competitors, and how much is the typical cost per click and so on. So you can have a few more, but just switch on off those which are really important for you, so your view will be more clear. If you have a lot of analysis or queries in a single folder, you can very easily filter them out. So for example, you can use the filters to just make visible only the content that Eva is responsible for. And now we have only two rows where Eva is responsible, or for example, those which are not delivered yet, or in progress, or done, or for category pages, and so on and so on. So all the tagging that you figured out that will be useful for you are available here, and you can just use them to filter the data.